Hi guys, good evening. This is Swati from Yespeopletainment and today is day 7 Arigato. So today what we're gonna talk, what tip I can share it to you is like how you can make a day productive. How you can analyze your day is productive or not. Okay, this is what we're going to discuss today. It's going to be a very short video because 9:30 I have a live with an amazing entrepreneur on my Facebook page Yespeopletainment. Please catch up on that. Okay, so let's see how to make your day productive. Okay, so okay, say example, everybody has 24 hours, but some are productive, some days are productive, some days are non-productive, some days are lazy. It's absolutely fine. But end of the day, when you go to bed, take a pen and paper. Okay, just spend 20 minutes for yourself. Okay, first 5 minutes, analyze how was it today. Since morning, this is only strictly for entrepreneurs. Okay, don't come and complain. Why are you teaching this? I just want to chill out. I'm living in a mountain. Absolutely fine. That's what makes you happy. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, this is for entrepreneurs who are hustling. So before you go to bed, 5 minutes. Today, what happened? What I did since morning. My day made me happy. My day was productive. What mistakes I have done, what improvement I have done. So sit and introspect yourself for the whole 24 hours, 10 hours. Sit and think about it. Write a simple note about it, just a scribble, right? Analyze yourself. That will help you. I don't know how it's gonna help you, because that's gonna help you. Next 5 minutes, plan for your tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow what you gonna do? What are in my list? To make a to-do list. All my entrepreneurs, all my fellow entrepreneurs, they do to-do list, but it's just a reminder, humble reminder. Even it's very hard to make to-do list every single day consistently, but it's just a humble reminder from Yespeopletainment. So make a to-do list for tomorrow. What and all in your hands? What and all you have to do? Right? What and all you wish to do? So that write it down. That. Okay, what will happen? Your brain will get tuned, and tomorrow you end up doing that already. Okay, so next 5 minutes. Okay, next 5 minutes, plan for your whole week. It's not that sit and plan, ye bhi hona hai, wo bhi hona hai, this has to happen, that has to happen, nothing like that. Just think about it, just visualize about it, how your whole week gonna be. How this week goal has to be achieved, how this week monetization has to happen. So just a little video visualization, you have to go through it. Okay, so total 15 minutes is over. So now you're already sleepy or already enthusiastic or already drowsy. Last 5 minutes, just close your eyes, do a little breathing exercise and do meditation, and then go to sleep. Okay, this will make your next day very pumping. Okay, it will give you a pump, it will give you a boost to you're prepared for next day. So everything will go according to your plan. So this is how we make our day productive, our tomorrow's planned, and then week productive. So if a day is productive, we end up doing at least a month productive as well. Okay, so this is day 7 Arigato. This is all I want to talk about today. How to, a small tip, how to, this is everybody knows this, but if we follow this, it gives a wonderful result. Okay, so it's a reminder for me, and it's a reminder for everybody who are entrepreneurs, hustlers watching this. Take care. See you in live with an entrepreneur from Seattle, USA, co-founder of Mama Bar. Her name is Arthi Krishnan Langino. So take care. Have a wonderful day and wonderful week ahead. Thank you so much, and signing off from you. This is Swati Krishnan from Yespeopletainment.